Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata, you're trying to find where the front crash airbag sensors are located, how to replace them, how to remove them, what you should do guys, stay with us and we will explain that in this video. Now, working on airbags is extremely dangerous, you need to follow certain procedures, but consider that entertaining video and not a how-to video guys. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel, it's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So we're going to go ahead and open the hood on that Hyundai Sonata. We're going to support it simply due to the fact that our shocks are practically done and they don't hold it up, so we'll have a video how to replace and fix that as well. Now, one thing that you need to do, you need to disconnect your car battery guys for at least 1 hour before you mess with airbag system. Make sure it's disconnected, make sure the terminals cannot touch the cables, anything like that. You have absolutely zero electricity, no open source of sparks or anything like that around it, because airbags can be activated guys and it can kill somebody, so you have to be extremely careful. Next, we need to remove the grill. Okay, right here, if you want to see the video guys, it's on our channel, how to remove front grill on Hyundai Sonata. We have it, so it's going to teach you all that, how to do it. So after you do that guys, you're trying to find out, okay, where are the front crash airbag sensors? Most likely you have two of them, one on the left, one on the right side. And how do you find them guys? Pretty simple. This is your radiator support, upper radiator support. Usually they're located in most cases on the upper radiator support or somewhere in the middle on the radiator support, but nothing here. We have a temperature sensor for the ambient temperature sensor, horn, hood latch. So where are the sensors? If you look at it guys, right here, okay, that bolt and this bolt, they hold the airbag crash sensors that are located actually, okay, behind the radiator. So how we're going to guys remove those things? Okay, you can with a 10mm socket. Okay, there is a nut that you can remove. If you cannot reach them for some reason, you can actually guys go ahead and remove the upper radiator support as well. Okay, we have the video on the channel that's going to show you how to remove upper radiator support, so you can check it out. But now we're going to go ahead and unscrew that nut with a 10mm ratcheting wrench. That makes it a piece of cake. So the nut is right here. Sometimes those will be really rusted guys. Okay, you can see like that. Now this is the sensor right here. Let me show you. Okay, that plastic thing is part of the sensor. So if you push it down, okay, and you need to come out of the bolt. Okay, we're trying to see if it's going to come out. Perfect. The airbag sensor is right here guys. This is the crash airbag sensor. How you release it now guys? Okay, let's explain that now. Okay, so you know, okay, what needs to be done. But those sensors guys actually are the one that detect if the vehicle is in a crash. So you need to make sure that the wires are in good condition, everything is in good condition as well, because otherwise you can activate airbags and that could be dangerous. Now make sure the car battery is disconnected. So once you remove the sensor guys, let's explain how to do it. Most people will try to pry it. Somebody did that in the past, you can see right here. So how you do that now? Okay, that yellow thing slides to the back. Okay, all the way to the back. Okay, and then you grab and you pull the sensor out. Okay, otherwise it's almost impossible guys. And this is the crash airbag sensor out of a Hyundai Sonata. Now the one on the right side, okay, actually the driver's side facing the vehicle, the right side, it's the left side of the vehicle, it's right here, and you remove it, okay, exactly the same way, and you can replace it as well. But that's how you guys do it. Hyundai, Kia, you can see they're the same sensors. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.